Promotes proper pineal gland function and supports energy levels. Genesis Revival is like nothing you've ever tried before. It's based off a closely guarded formula that's said to be able to supercharge your pineal gland. With its unique blend of hard-to-source ingredients, Genesis Revival helps support the healthy functioning of your pineal gland, as well as your other organs in your body. Inside every capsule of Genesis Revival you'll find a unique and rare blend of ingredients mentioned by the ancients to stimulate your pineal gland. Shilajit, lion's mane mushroom powder, reishi mushroom extract, turmeric extract, grape skin extract, schisandra fruit extract, myrrh gum powder. Order 6 bottles and get free shipping too. $59/bottle. 100% satisfaction, 365-day money back guarantee. Your order today is covered by our ironclad 365-day 100% money back guarantee. If you are not impressed with the results, then at any time in the next 365 days write to us and we'll refund every single cent. Frequently asked questions. How and why does Genesis Revival work? Genesis Revival contains 9 powerful natural ingredients that have been perfectly combined to support a healthy pineal gland, well into old age. Is Genesis Revival right for me? All of the ingredients inside of Genesis Revival have been constantly tested for purity and to ensure against toxins and contaminants. As always, if you currently have a medical condition or you're taking other prescription medication, we advise you to show a bottle of Genesis Revival to your doctor before you take it, just to put your mind at ease. When and how should I take Genesis Revival? We recommend you take 2 capsules per day, preferably in the morning. What if it doesn't work for me? Can you tell me about the guarantee? Again, the more results we see, the stronger we believe Genesis Revival has the power to completely support the health of your pineal gland. It's true, though, that nothing works for 100% of the people who try it, as each body works in its own way. That's why every bottle of Genesis Revival comes with an ironclad 365-day money-back guarantee. If, for any reason, you aren't fully satisfied with the results, you can just return what you haven't used for a full, no question asked refund. How can I get started? It's very easy. Just click the button below now to go to our secure order checkout page, enter in your information, and we'll immediately get to work shipping Genesis Revival right to your doorstep.